Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make yummy chicken noodles. Let's do it. Now we need 1.5 carrots, half tomato, little chopped chicken nuggets, 1 green chili and some curry leaves. Here I have 1 capsicum and 6 to 7 beans chopped. We need 2 pans, 1 for chicken nuggets, 1 for noodles. Now I'm adding oil for both pans. First, let's fry the chicken nuggets. To make the noodles, we're going to add 1 sliced onion, 1 green chili, and some curry leaves. Mix, 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 mixy mix. Time to add some salt. Now mix it very well. When onions are transparent, I'm going to add the chopped carrots. Now chop capsicums and beans. Mix it very well. Mix all the vegetables very nicely.
Halah, are you excited to cook?
Yeah, it's super fun. I'm super I like it. Now time to add half tomato. And some tomato paste. Saute it very well. Can you feel the smell? Time to add colorful masalas. 2 tablespoons of pepper powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Again, mix, mix, mixy mix, 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 mixy mix. Mix it very well. Now I'm going to add my favorite fried chicken nugget. Yummy! Okay, masala is ready. Let's add 2 eggs. Two eggs. Look how beautiful is it? Hey guys, do you know something? I love eggs. Now we have to combine egg and masala very well. Okay, this is cooked noodles. My mom cooked it with salt and oil for 3 minutes. Oh, I forgot to say, we use half packet of MDK noodles. This is a very good Sri Lankan brand. I add the noodles with the masala now and mixing it thoroughly. Last ingredient, don't forget to add some soy sauce. My noodles is looking yummy, isn't it? I'm tired. We'll meet you in another video. Bye. I'm tired. Keep supporting. We'll meet you in another video. Stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.